You are going to love the 2022 Ranger. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.3-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, black door handles, Inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, compass. Tough inside and out, Ranger proves its mettle. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.